My name is Devansh Gulabwani, and in this episode, I am going to tell you the 5 basic rules or 5 basic steps that you need to consider to clear the USCMA exams. So, USCMA exam consists of 2 parts, part 1, part 2. Now, the following 5 steps, the following 5 rules that you have to consider to clear the USCMA exam. So, what are these 5 steps? Number 1 rule or number 1 step, that is conceptual clarity. Second rule, conceptual clarity. Yes, I said it twice. Conceptual clarity. Step 1, conceptual clarity. Step 2 is also conceptual clarity. I cannot stress this enough that concepts needs clarity. Concepts should be crystal clear. Without conceptual clarity, you won't go anywhere. Now, do not confuse conceptual clarity with conceptual memorization. हमें कंसेप्ट समझने हैं, याद नहीं कर रहे हैं. इफ यू आर थिंकिंग यू कैन मेमोराइज द कंसेप्ट एंड गो फॉर इट, यू आर मेकिंग अ बिग मिस्टेक. Maybe you will do fine in the OTB online test bank, but you will face problems in the final examination. So, listen to me. Concept has to be cleared. Concept should be beautifully cleared. Simple, easy, clear. That's it. Okay? Third step that you need to take after clearing your concepts, after reading or watching the videos, you make sure your concepts are clear. The third step that you need to take, the third rule to clear the USCMA exam is practicing more and more questions. Okay, practice more and more questions to nourish your concepts. ज्यादा क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने से आपके कॉन्सेप्ट्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग होंगे और यू विल लर्न टू अप्लाई द कॉन्सेप्ट. This exam is all about application of the knowledge, application of the concept. So when you'll practice more, you'll learn the applicability of concepts. Okay, then only you will clear the exam. By practicing more and more questions, you will come across the tough questions, the questions that need comprehension, analysis and applicability. कुछ questions easy होंगे, कुछ questions medium होंगे और कुछ questions थोड़े से कॉम्प्लेक्स होंगे. हालांकि वो कॉम्प्लेक्स होते नहीं है, जस्ट नीड्स लिटिल बिट ऑफ ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग, दैट्स इट. अगर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है देन यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चंस. अगर कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर है देन यू विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द टफेस्ट क्वेश्चंस. लेकिन अगर कॉन्सेप्ट ही क्लियर नहीं है तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. ओके, so this was the third rule of for clearing the USCMA exam, that is practice more and practice tough questions, right? Fourth step, let's talk about fourth step. Fourth step to clear the USCMA exam is doing essays. Yes, lot of people make this mistake कि no, ऐसे तो मुझे बन जाएगा, मैं ऐसे एग्जाम में कर लूंगा. No, ऐसा नहीं होता मेरे भाई. You have to clear you have to make sure कि आप ऐसे की आपने प्रैक्टिस की है, because ऐसे में जो क्वेश्चंस आते हैं sometimes आपको पूरा सॉल्व करना पड़ता है. सिर्फ राइट करके डेफिनेशन नहीं लिखनी पड़ते हैं. कुछ प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. दोस प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन नीड्स एक्सप्लेनेशन. यू हैव टू शो योर स्टेप्स. यू हैव टू नो हाउ टू फ्रेम द फॉर्मूला ऑन द स्क्रीन. ओके, so this needs practice because this has to be done within the time frame, within the given time frame, right? You have 1 hour for essays and you have 2 essay questions, and 1 essay question consists of 4 or 6 sub questions, right? So this won't be done just ऐसे ही नहीं हो जाएगा. You have to practice essays, and essays are easy. Don't get confused. Essays are easy. If you are able to solve MCQs, you will be able to solve essays because both of these parts require concept clarity. Okay. Now, once you have completed understanding of concepts, once you have completed online test bank, that is you have practiced and you have also practiced essays, relax, you are done, you are almost done. Then what you have to do is mock test. Consider mock test as your final examination. Okay, do the mock test to see how good your preparation is, how skilled you have become in this thing. Okay, so do the mock test and analyze your performance. Was it 70%? Was it 80%? 70% is not good. 70% is very bad. Your mock test result should be more than 80% at least. 80% at least. Okay, I believe it should be greater than 80% for a reasonable assurance to clear the exam. Okay, so give mock test. Maybe you will get an average grade or average score at your first mock test, but your target should be to nail the mock test, to just conquer the mock test, score very good in the mock test. Then only you will be able to score or pass the USCM exam. Okay, so give more and more mock tests. The more and more mock tests you give, you will get used to of the examination. Okay, so these are the most 5 basic steps that you need to consider to clear the USCM exam. Step 1, conceptual clarity. Step 2, again, conceptual clarity. Third, practice more and more questions. Practice toughest questions. Step 4, do essays. Okay, practice essays. This is necessary. Step 5, more and more mock tests. Give more mock tests. 1 mock test a day. Okay. सो द थिंग इज, इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी बातें होती हैं एग्जामिनेशन से रिलेटेड, प्रेपरेशन से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी डिटेल्स होती हैं. सो दिस वाज द फर्स्ट एपिसोड ऑफ द CMA शो एंड lots of things will be covered to make sure that you pass the CMA exam like I did. My score is, this is part 1, this is part 2. Part 1 score was 410 and part 2 score was 400. So I will make sure that you also score, you have to score better than this, because I believe I could have done better. So I'm here to tell you and guide you in all possible ways that you score the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and share this video with someone who is preparing for the USCM exam, your friends, or someone who is planning to give the USCM exam in the next window, or who is planning to begin their preparation for the USCM exam. Thank you so much. See you in the next episode of the CMA show.